Hello everybody, happy Friday. It's Brandy Furlan here with the Furlan Group at Keller Williams, doing another virtual open house at 838 Gulf Drive. This property is only $289,000. It's on Venice Island in Venice, Florida. You are biking, walking distance to a beach, downtown Venice. This is such a great area, close to beaches, adorable little cottage home. It's a little over 1,100 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. The owner just updated, brand new kitchen, new flooring, new paint, siding updated on the outside, and it's on almost a 1/4 acre lot with a she shed. So I'm going to take you through here, and please comment, like what you see, ask me any questions. I'm redoing this one. If you saw the previous video, I guess my finger was blocking the speaker, so no one could hear me. So anyway, lots of technical difficulties here in wonderful sunny Florida. So please thank you so much for liking and giving me a heart. Great to see you. So let me turn this around. Let me know if you have any comments, questions. Here's the property or the neighborhood. It's a beautiful neighborhood. Like I said, walking distance to Venice, downtown Venice. Venice, Florida is such a great little town. Yet it's busy, has tons of restaurants and shopping and just all kinds of things to do down here. There's a really great dog beach for you dog lovers. Sharky's restaurant and pier is really close by with great food. Love their sushi. So I'm going to take you through here, 838 Gulf Drive. It's a 1-car garage. It's $289,000. We just dropped the price. It's hard to find a really cute property that's been updated on Venice Island for under $300,000. Really for under $500,000, but this is a little home. It's a cute little starter home, fabulous second home or investment property. I think Airbnb would do really well here since there's really no restrictions. Well, I believe there's no HOA, so let me clarify that. Sarasota County does have a 1-month minimum rental rule, so we'd have to just follow that, kind of the county guidelines. So this 1-car garage is attached by, as you can see, a little breezeway here. I'm going to take you through this house kind of slow, as if you were here walking through the home yourself, because we can't have live open houses right now. And so we're doing our best as realtors, doing our part just to get the word out. So there's the kitchen right off this beautiful, and I'll take you through the kitchen in a minute, but this great room just has such high, beautiful vaulted ceilings, as you can see, with pot shelf up top there. If you like what you see, please heart it, like it, give me a thumbs up. Ask me some questions, you guys. That's how we spread the feed here, and I can answer any questions. We can share it. The owner put in this really nice plank wood-like tile flooring. I'm going to get really close on that. That's just so popular right now. Who likes that floor? Isn't this what's popular? Don't you guys love it? So here's the kitchen. We opened up the wall there a little bit so you can have a pass-through. Walk you around in there. The owner just put in, or had new kitchen cabinets put in. Absolute Kitchen and Flooring did this. Phil, he's great. Here's our cabinets, granite. Who likes this backsplash, you guys? Isn't this cool? The granite and the backsplash that they selected with the white cabinets. It's so bright and open. Oh, that was the front door that just slammed shut. Scared me. But look how nice and bright and open this kitchen is. For a small space, it really is laid out well. Perfect home for, a couple, small family, second home, if you're only coming down here seasonally, or like I said, an investment property. So here's the great room again. For those of you just joining, we're at 838 Gulf Drive on Venice Island. $289,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Let's go in the master bedroom here. Hey Vicki, thank you. I miss you guys, Vicki and Vicki. Here's the master bedroom. So they have 2 closets here. New ceiling fans put in, 2 standard closets. Okay, so the way the bathroom's set up is a little different. So in the master, they have a double vanity. And then you walk through this door here, and the two bathrooms share the tub and this toilet. Okay, then you go through and here's the other side. And like I said, brand new vanities, so cute. What are you guys seeing out there? Any questions, comments, or thoughts about what's going on in the market? We actually are being told that sales are still up. In fact, because our inventory is a little bit down, the sales are up. So there's still buyers buying, you guys. There's still sellers that need to sell and buyers that need to buy. So as long as we keep doing our part as realtors and keep pushing the properties out there, keeping it in front of you guys, in front of the general public, you know, we can still sell these properties. You don't even need to be inside them. Can't tell you how many I sell a year to buyers that don't even see the property. They buy it sight unseen. Comment here if you've ever done that. Have you ever bought a property from just seeing it online? Or as for my realtors online, have you guys sold any properties like that? So here's the backyard. It's a nice size. It's about 1/4 acre. Beautiful trees. Look at this oak tree. I just love it. It's amazing that we're so close to the beach and yet you kind of feel like you're out in the country. There's a detached storage shed there. This is just an adorable little cottage. I'm calling it a she shed. Who wants a she shed? What would you guys do with it? Share your comments about what you would do. So this obviously would need to be updated. It needs new paint, flooring. Those are shutters from one of the side windows we took off. But this could be like a little living room space, don't you think? It has electricity, air conditioning, and then this would make a great little bedroom. The last previous owners used this as an art studio. So it could be a garden house, art studio, whatever your heart desires. This would be great. So here we go, right back out to the backyard. Who likes this? Who thinks this is a really cute property? Give me a thumbs up, you guys, or let me know what your thoughts are. Share this. All my realtor friends, share this, you guys. Find me a buyer. Let's get this sold. My owners want it sold yesterday, 2 days ago actually. So anyway, it's $289,000, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Hello. I really hope that you enjoy these videos. Comment, please join back. We'll be doing this a couple times a week just to share our inventory, take you through it, answer any real estate questions. I want to be your choice for real estate and your source for any questions and things that you need. So I wish you all the best. Have a great weekend. Happy Friday. We made it. And I'm just happy I know that today's Friday. So stay well, stay safe. Have a great weekend.